Welcome to Eclipse Overland Gear Test. I've recently got this from Adendorf, which is a supplier of different parts, machines, industrial machines. They do pumps, compressors, they do everything. Got this from them because that was the best price we can get for a compressor. Not sponsored by them. But this was the most affordable one, and I could also go and get it. So I want to test it. I'll give feedback in 3 months time, 6 months time, and then obviously within a year to see how this one fares against the use and abuse of airing up of literally anything from bicycles to my Pajero's tires and wheelbarrow tires as well. But anyway, so this one is gives a 150 psi. Let me bring it closer. Gives you 150 psi, and then obviously 160 liters per minute. And that is the maximum output. This is that's how the box look like. It has a easy use, quick release 26-foot coil hose. I'll replace that with a split between 2 tires so that I can, when I air up, I should be able to do it at the same tire pressure. And there's a heavy duty 8-foot power cord with a battery clamps and rubber and anti-vibration feet, and can be permanently mounted and hardwired if desired. And they say also you get a bonus carry bag, 3 nozzle adapters and 4 inflators, 26-foot, that is it. This is how it looks like. Back looks very nice. Can we get it in focus there? Okay, and then it says Mac Africa. Or Mac Africa, sorry. Just take it out of the box. And that's obviously very nice, sealed in with this foam, so great, can be used for other packaging, maybe at a later stage. There's your nice bag, and then obviously underneath in the box as well with a white foam, so here I can unzip it. And then obviously see what's on the inside. And there's this one. I actually did unbox it yesterday. I quickly had a look at it. I had actually white plastic bubble wrap around it, so you can have a look at it. There's your on and off switch. There goes your hose, goes in there. Obviously, oh, there's a, I can unplug there. The clamps looks great, sturdy. I can definitely work with that. There's your hose inside. There you go. Put this down. I like the color red as well. My Pajero is that color. There is your nozzle. There you go. There's your plug-ins that goes onto your compressor. That goes onto the tire, obviously, to make sure that you can get your compression, as well as your pressure gauge is on there as well. Bring it in there in the focus so you can see. So there's all your nozzles for this going onto the tire. This one you plug in onto your pump, your compressor pump, and this should work. But I will eventually look at replacing this. And yeah, that looks relatively straightforward. We'll see where my other fittings are. There's supposed to be another 3 fittings. 3 nozzle adapters for inflatables. Maybe they take it onto somewhere, but I'll go and have a look at it. So there's the rubbers on there. See there, and there. So, but I'll definitely be putting it into a in, and then to make sure that it's closed, dust free hopefully, and that we can work with that in that way. So but yeah, and at the same time, while I was at Adendorf, I got a tire pressure tester, also Mac Afric. I presume that would be the guy supplying the material, as well as the supply for this type of stuff. So I'll be testing this as well. It is will be measuring a range from 0 to 61. 0 to 61 bar, 16 bar, sorry, about 61. 16 bar, and value for releasing excess pressure. So, and it's approximately 40 centimeter long flexible hose. I presume I need to, because this is definitely, yeah, this is 40 centimeters supposed to be. But we'll check that out and give you feedback in also 3, 6 and a year, how this one looked like and how it went out on the road and how it performed. I normally use a electronic one that I switch on, take the tire pressure, and it gives me a reading. So this will be a first to test this one out, and we'll let you know how this one went.